Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I claimed my SOLCHICKS token from the IDO I joined for SOLCHICKS. So a couple of weeks ago I made a post about SOLCHICKS upcoming IDO on AnyPad, and I basically explained the step-by-step procedure for you to join the IDO for SOLCHICKS on AnyPad. So SOLCHICKS had their TGE on the they had their TGE on the 13th of this month, where they distributed the first batch of the tokens to those that participated in the private sale, the seed sale, and the various IDOs. Okay, so a lot of people are still having problems with claiming this token. So if you're one of them, you're at the right place, because I'll be showing you guys a step-by-step guide on what I did. That's basically what I did and how I was able to claim my own chicks token to my trust, to my wallet, and how I swapped it on Raydium. Okay, because basically chicks is already listed on Raydium and on MEXC exchange. Okay, so if you're super hyped about wanting to know how you can claim your own chicks token, make sure you drop the comment soul chicks in the comment section of this video right now. Drop a thumbs up for this video, and also subscribe to my channel right now if you haven't. You're watching Crypto Airdropper. I make videos about ways you can make money with cryptocurrency and how you can earn free cryptocurrency. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So we'll be using the website we'll be using for this claim is the SoulChicks.io. That's the official website. The best way to claim this is by opening this website on your own desktop, that's on your laptop or your personal computer. Okay, it's actually way easier for you to be able to make this claim. However, I'm just making this video for those of you that only have access to their devices, but I advise you use a computer for this. However, it's basically the same steps and the same procedures. So once you're on the site, as you can see, you can buy it on Radium Swap and MEXC. They're already listed there, so you can check CoinMarketCap to see how the chart has been doing, because basically after the launch, Sochis gave over 10x profit like predicted. So a lot of people made profit with Sochis. Okay, so if made profit, and I myself personally I also made a lot of profit with soul checks. Okay, so to claim your token, once you're on the channel, once you're on the website, at the top right hand corner of the screen you'll be able to see three bars, like three lines. You just click on that, then you go to where it says chicks. Okay, you go to where it says chicks, you click on it, then you click on how to claim or buy chicks. You click on how to claim or buy chicks. Once it opens up, as you can see, so this is a write up of how you can claim your chicks token. Okay, so basically to do that you just have to scroll down. Okay, so this is the token distribution chart, and this is the token type. So this is a video on the channel about how you can claim the chicks using your phantom wallet. So to learn more about that, you can check it out on their website. Then for those of you that used trust wallets, okay, or any other wallet that might not be listed on the select wallet tab for from the claim token dashboard for SoulChicks. I will be explaining that later. For those of you that used your Trust wallet or SafePal or any other wallet that might not be on the list supported for claim on this chart, what you need to do is you need to create a new wallet, like a Soulflare wallet or a solid extension wallet, and use your trust wallet secret phrase or your SafePal secret phrase, because I use SafePal in my case. So I used my own secret phrase and I restored the account on my new so on my new because I used solid wallet extension on desktop, so I now restored my own account, that's my SafePal account, onto my own onto the solid extension tab, where I restored my SafePal account there, and I was able to see my tokens that were on the Solana chain on the solid wallet. So if you're using Trust Wallet, you can create a Soulflare wallet using your Trust Wallet secret phrase. Then make sure you have at least 0.003 Sol in your wallet for a one-time fee for Chicks token account generation. This applies to all Solana wallets. Then you connect your Soulflare wallet to a token claim dashboard and claim your unlocked Chicks token. So please note that your wallet must have at least 0.003 Sol balance. So the breakdown is 0.002 Sol plus fee for one-time fee for Chicks token account generation, which is the Solana standard. So to claim this, once you've gone through this and you've understood how to do that, and basically after you've done that, then you need to click on Chicks token claim dashboard, which will now redirect you. Then it will bring you to this page. Then you click on enter the Chicks token claim dashboard. Then it will redirect you to the claim dashboard, where you'll be able to claim your Chicks token. So to do that, once you're on this dashboard, the first thing you need to do is you need to connect your wallet to the dashboard. So to do that, what you need to do, you click on select wallet. So if you're using a Phantom wallet or Slope or Soulflare wallet or any wallet you provided, and if the wallet you provided is not here, what you need to do is you get the secret phrase words for that wallet you provided during the whitelist on any pod for to receive your distribution, to which you provided to receive your SOLCHICKS distribution once it starts. Once you get that wallet, you get the secret phrase, then you choose any of the wallets listed here and you import that your wallet, that's the wallet you provided. You import the wallet using the secret phrase words. You import it onto any of these wallets. Once you've done that, then you just come over here and you choose any of them. That's, you choose any of the wallet. Let's say for example, want to use solid extension. Once you click on it, it will be selected here. Then you click on connect. Okay, so once you click on connect, you ask to add it to desktop if you're using a computer. That's why using a desktop or personal computer is highly advised. So once you've got that connected, okay, you'll be then your total allocation will your wallet address, that's the address you provided, will appear here. Then your total allocation, that your total Chicks allocation, will appear here. Your total claimed dates will appear here, that's the total Chicks you've claimed to date. Then your claimable now, that's the Chicks you can claim now, will appear here. Then unvested, that's the one that has you can't claim right now, that is still locked, will be here, and you'll be able to see your next unlock date and the next unlock amount in the tabs below. So that's basically the steps I followed to claim my Chicks. So after I claimed it and I received it, I went to the site Raydium.io, okay, where I connected my wallet to the site. After connecting my wallet to the site, I just searched for so let me show you guys how I did that. Then I connected my wallet, my SafePal wallet, to the side. You can see SafePal here. So I clicked on SafePal and I connected my wallet to the side. So after connecting my wallet to the side, I was now able to swap my Chicks token to Sol. So that's where the steps I followed to claim my Chicks token and how I swapped my Chicks token to Sol. So once your wallet is connected, basically you just click on this and you search for Chicks. Okay, once you do that, if the claim was successful, you'll be able to see your Chick balance. That's after you've connected your wallet. Your total Chicks balance will appear here. As you can see, can choose that. Then you choose any other token you want to swap to. I swapped mine to Sol. Then you just put in the amount of chicks you want to swap, and you can be able to make the swap. So it's that easy. It's very straightforward. Okay, all you have, and don't forget, the most important thing is make sure you have enough gas fee. That's, you know, have enough Sol on your wallet to pay for gas fee for you to be able to make this claim. So that's basically all about claiming your chicks tokens from any IDO, any private sale, or whatever. Okay, and once you've claimed it, you can just swap it immediately on Raydium, or you can send it over to MEXC exchange if you have that, and swap it there. Okay, so that's all I have for you guys today. If you got value from this video, make sure you drop a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed yet at this juncture. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.